Lancaster General Health is adding behavioral health center.
These are becoming more common. What do they do exactly? Evan Papalis joins us tonight. Evan.
Valerie, Alicia, LGH is prepared to open the first walk-in center of its kind in Pennsylvania, with it being hospital-based.
This is the first behavioral health center in Lancaster County.
Penn Medicine Lancaster General Health cut the ribbon, introducing its behavioral health center, housing a crisis walk-in center and interventional psychiatry program.
You'll be able to walk in immediately and get assessment, get treatment, get referral for services. It's an environment where you can get a respite, so you don't necessarily have to go from one station to the next.
The center provides innovative treatments and a de-escalated environment.
There's a lot of energy in an ER, and this will be an environment that is calm and quiet and really dedicated to the work that we want to do.
Former state rep Mike Sturla helped secure funding for the center to be built. He shared how his son faces behavioral health crises.
You have to meet the person in their crisis where they are the minute that they are willing to be helped. If you say, you know, we'll schedule an appointment for you next week to see a therapist, I got news for you, it doesn't work.
Heavy amounts of stress can be put on family and friends. The center plans on helping them too.
You can bring your whole family here, so the whole family can come here to support the patient.
Tracy Lavalis, the executive director for the center, believes it comes at the perfect time when the demand for behavioral health services are expected to grow.
All diagnoses are expected to increase, and that does not take into account COVID. So we have a situation where we know that there's going to be a mental health explosion. We call it a behavioral health crisis.
The National Institute of Mental Health has identified that 1 in 4 Pennsylvanians are at risk or have some form of mental health or behavioral health illness.
And Lavalis expects around 4,000 patients a year to come to the center, and it opens Tuesday at 11 a.m. Live in Lancaster, Evan Papalis, ABC 27 News.
Thank you, Evan.